Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Well, I'm going to tell you what Sean and I really decided on what we're going to be doing with Andrew's Crucible Table. We are going to be filling it full of our hurricane supplies, like I had discussed in a previous video. I wanted to show you the update on Andrew's Crucible Table. Okay, we got a banner for our son. We're so proud of you, Andrew. Look, he's in Mike Company, Platoon 3032. Hoorah! So excited. So excited. We just got another letter from him in the mail today. Oh, I'll tell you. I miss this kid so much. It's killing me. But yeah, so here is an update of Andrew's Crucible Table. And look, see this? Oath of enlistment. I do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the orders of the officers appointed over me, according to the regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Yes? So this is our Crucible Table for our son, Andrew. United States Marine. So blessed. So blessed. So I had mentioned that I wanted to buy, for our hurricane preps, extra sheets and stuff like that, because during hurricane season, I can't tell you how many times we have gone without power. Okay. Just for example, okay, when Hurricane Irma hit us, okay, and this was what, three years ago, okay. Okay, guys, you want to go out? Okay, I'm going to put the dogs out real quick. Hang on. Go ahead.
Sliding opened.
Lord.
Sliding closed.
When Hurricane Irma hit us, we were without power for 2 weeks. Okay, so, and yeah, even living in Tampa, it does not matter. It does not matter. Okay. Even in big cities, even in smaller towns, it doesn't matter, okay? So, to go without power for that long, it hurt us. It killed us, really. Everything in the freezer went bad, whatever the case may be, okay? So I had said in a previous video that, yeah, I wanted to, get extra linens and things like that. So I did that, okay? And I wanted to show you what kind of linens I'm talking about, okay? But also, I wanted to show you that, yes, I did order, hi Patches, hi pretty, extra battery-operated candles, okay? I found these on Walmart.com, so I'm going to bring you down here. For $22.29, it's a 9-pack, okay? And they're all battery operated, and they all take AA's. So if this is something that you're interested in, now you know where to get them, okay? Okay, now we're in my bedroom, and I wanted to show you, okay? All right, bed sheets. Now, oh, I didn't fix my pillows. Shame on me. Shame on me. Okay, so I have a problem with finding bed sheets. And why? I'll show you why. Look at how thick my mattress is. That's about 18 inches. Okay? That is no joke. Trying to find sheets just at a regular store. Okay? So, put that back down. Target actually has these sheets, but the sheets, the fitted sheets, are different, okay? I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Okay, you know how like fitted sheets, like they all have like the elastic, right? Like they have like the elastic right here. But look at the elastic, the extra set of elasticity on the Target sheets right here. So they actually can come down and fit around a very thick mattress. So I did get one extra set of sheets. So, but I forgot how expensive sheets really are. $46 for a queen. God help me. So I gotta still go get, yay, my bedroom. I still gotta go get, hi, pretty kitty Capone. Look at those evil eyes. Hi, pretty. I still gotta go get sheets for Andrew's bed, but he's got a California King. Those are impossible to find. Come on, guys. Come on, Jouette. Hi, pretty. Those are impossible to find.
Lighting closed.
And California Kings are not something that you could just find in store. You can only really order them online. So if any of you guys have found California Kings online at a very decent price, please let me know, okay? Because they're not easy to find at all. They really are not. But anyway, yeah, that's, here, I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Also, I'll take you into Andrew's room. Oh, gosh. Really, Sean? You couldn't put the water away? This is what Sean does when I'm not looking. Instead of putting the water under the bed. Oh, the life. The life. Ladies, do your husbands do this? Ask him for a friend. Okay, so here is the blackout bucket. Yay, everything's falling out. It is overflowing. And so obviously, it's time for a second blackout bucket. But, like I had said, we're going to be putting all of the hurricane supplies into Andrew's Crucible Table, which is that wooden trunk. So this is, just something else that we're dealing with, something else that we're doing. So that entire Crucible Table is going to be hurricane supplies. So I'm waiting on the battery operated candles to come in. Everything else that we ordered to come in. Got to get this water put under the bed. Oh, this is, I cannot believe he did this. What a shyster. Okay. What a shyster. I am so mad. Why would he do that? Anyway, okay. Wow. Anyway, okay. So this is what I'm going to be working on today. And everything else when it starts to just come in the mail, because I order a lot of my stuff online. Because for one, it's just easier. Two, it's cheaper. And three, I know, here we go, convenience. But, when you're ordering extra tarps and things like that, and bungees and, sometimes you can only find things online. So, darn it, the phone. If this is for another car warranty, I swear I'm just going to scream at the top of my lungs. Hang on. Why do they call and then they say nothing? Anyway. Oh, there's Andrew's letter. But anyway, guys. All right. That's all for this video. Don't forget tonight, 7 o'clock, live stream with Trish. We will be talking about just about everything, okay? But just remember, when you speak the truth, they shut you down. All right. I love you. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, and as always, fear less. Bye.